I am Jyotiraj Bhimanandan, Chief Executive of Brahma Jyoti Supreme Office Worldwide. This is the 12th video in this series. Before starting, I will give you the time specifications. Today, 21st February 2021, Sunday. Now we are in Aquarius zodiac, and the stellar configuration is from Magaidam star. Being Sunday, the preceding deity is Sun God. So almost all other gods are also present. Day gods are also present. Then being in the Aquarius zodiac, zodiac is governed by planet Saturn. Saturn, preceding deity is Yama, the god of death. It is he who punishes you. It is he who reprimands you by giving deaths, diseases, difficulties, etc. And at the same time, he is the deity who gives you refuge also. If you are in difficulty, it is he who gives you refuge. If you are willing to reform yourself, he is willing to give you refuge. Then this is the last resort for you. At the Saturn, governed by Shastra, at place of Shastra, that is the last resort. After that, you don't have any help. Once Shastra also rejects you, then there is no form of help available for you. Then next, being of Magaidam star, stellar configuration is from Magaidam star. The second deity is Soma. It is in this star, Magaidam star. Magaidam star comes after Tohini star. Tohini star is where the preceding deity is Brahma the creator. This is Brahma the creator comes on the fourth star. Ashwati, Bharani, Kartika, Tohini. That is the fourth star. That Magaidam, today is Magaidam star. That is fifth star. In the fifth star, after Brahma the creator, the fourth star, Brahma the creator comes. From Brahma after that, Magaidam star. It is here where the accounts of newborns are checked. Here it is finalized. In this star, Magaidam star. After Rohini, fourth star is Magaidam. I told Brahma the creator will not, even though he is in the first position, he will not come in the first position normally. He can occupy, but normally he comes in the fourth position, in the Rohini star. After that, immediately after that, in the Magaidam star, the accounts of the newborns are checked. That is the Magaidam star here. Just like accounts of clothes, requirements of clothes, food requirements, then whatever other facilities, what are required for the newborns, that are all checked in this account. And also the holy water you get from temples, churches, etc. And other religious places, that also are maintained here. It is here in this star, the details from various sources are put together and some form of synthesis is done. From different places, the information is put together, and this whole picture is formed in this star. That's Magaidam star. So that is the speciality of this star, Magaidam star. And my niece Devi, she looks after this sort of things. She is a chartered accountant, modern chartered accountant. She is a partner in a accounting firm. So naturally, I get some sort of help. She, whatever she keeps records, I also not in her organization. In this sense, I always have some discussions and get some details from her and all. And she can keep also these types of accounts. She can keep also these details. So that is the specialty of this star. And immediately after this star, next star is Tiruvadira. The specialty with that star is the previous star, god of gods, Brahma the creator, was the preceding deity as in the creative mode. This is the Magaidam star where the accounts of newborns are checked. In the next star is Tiruvadira star, where Brahma the creator again comes as god of gods, comes as god of destruction. God of gods in the form of, in the destructive mode. Brahma the creator or the God of gods comes as a with a destructive force. As Dudran, there is a special form of Shiva. Dudran, they should call it Dudran, the fierce form of Shiva. Is form of destruction. So based on the accounts of Magaidam star, this star, now today's star is Magaidam. From this star, the accounts are given, and immediately after that, Dudran, the god of gods in the destructive mode, Dudran, Sri Dudran, will take the corrective actions, which is whatever things have gone wrong, he will set right. He is the fierce form of Shiva in the destructive mode. So, and the symbols are tears, teardrops. If you make any mistake, or if you do any wrong, particularly in the case of children, certainly he will punish you. And that is why the symbols are given as teardrops. You will cry. If you do anything, and you must understand, when you have to go through some difficult situation, this is the reason. In this star it is checked. In Magaidam star that will be checked whether the accounts are right or wrong. After Brahma the creator, after the presiding Brahma the creator as presiding deity, next immediate star, these accounts are mostly because of that of children. Newborn babies and children are checked in the Magaidam star. After that, immediately after that, because he is very interested, Brahma the creator is very interested to make the corrections. So immediately after that, in the Dudran, in the form of destructive form, Brahma in the form, extreme destructive form will come and do the corrections. This is the system. Up to next star. Now, that system you are familiar. Some sort of, we will go repeatedly, I will tell this in later days also, when the next round comes. Now, we are discussing about birthdays, celebration of birthdays. I am telling you, have some sort of get together in birthdays, because that is during that time we issue time, not only for you, for the later people also, friends, etc. So those happy moments you can share, and the happiness increases with sharing, and sorrow decreases with sharing. That is the principle. So if you get associated, other people also in your birthday and such other functions, the happiness will increase. We send time for those people also. That is, we combine club together. Each person, they have their own birthdays. But when you have a birthday, we send time for others also. So if they also get associated, they will get also some benefit. That is the advantage. That's why I told you just, I have seen many people, even in Kerala, they do not celebrate birthdays. I don't know why. Many of them do not know their birthdays also. That is another trouble in that. Just have some form of finding out. There are methods for finding out your birthday. So if you do not have any method, just consult some good astrologers and find out some form, approximate form of your birth time. They will tell you the birthday or birth star. That is called lost horoscopy. Nashta Jatagam. Even if you do not remember the date, they have the good astrologers, they have a system of finding out the birth star. That is called lost horoscopy. Varahamihira has some forms of, in the text he describes some methods. Lost horoscopy. Nashta Jatagam. Without any information, without any details, we can find out. The Nadi Granthas are there. From where you can find out. Even if you don't have any details, you just give thumb impression and they will find out your star and all birth details. They will tell you which day you are born, at what time, your name of your father, name of your mother. All these details they will tell you. Nadi Jyotisham, that is called Nadi Jyotish. Just give you thumb impression. they will find out your that grantha, that is called that file, and will tell you all this information. Though that doesn't cost much also. Fees are very reasonable. So you can many of such facilities are there. You can find out your star and keep it with you, and that will be helpful for in your journey, entire journey. And there I told you there are sanctions in your birthday. There are sanctions, and you can see, and we are providing backup also. If you, I told you you have to celebrate, then at that time that is sanctioned. You can, if you sometimes you may forget, or some other inconvenience may be there. Even otherwise, there should be a backup for each backup. Even than the modern systems, we have much more reliable system with very good backup systems. I will tell you one of them. In this case, when we issue time on your birthday, you may not be able to get, or there may need to be a correction. So that system is like this. You can see I have told on my right hand side. Bottom portion, that is the Sagittarius zodiac. That is the place of rishis or ancient sages. From there, the life originates. The second one is Capricorn, where the time is tested and money is sanctioned. Money and wealth is sanctioned. Money and wealth are sanctioned. Then, after that, Aquarius zodiac. That is where we are now. You can see the sun god, the image of the sun god there. Then you can see from the right bottom, you can from 1, 2, 3 up. You can see ports are there. I have placed ports. They represent standard, some sort of standard. One there you can have a progression of this style and all. The first one is the earthen pot. That is the first one. That is without any modern facilities requirement that can be constructed. That is the earthen pot. Next one is some form of metal pot. Above that, again still some refined form of metal pot. Almost all of same type, except one is a red. Red means something wrong, or some penalties are there. That is the red. That is where we test and impose penalties. For what we have done in the past, we test it here and make corrections. And the positive effect you can see in the third one. Now where you are here. So, and then by the side of that, you can see a smaller pot. Something similar to that, a larger pot. So when your birthday, you get the time of that order, that larger pot. I have placed there. By the side of that, a smaller pot is there. When you in the next zodiac also, your birthday will come. Birth star will come. At that time, you will get the next measure. What is the smaller pot? That measure, that is called Pakana. There are two measures, something similar. Pakana means the monthly occurrence of your star. Pakana means one measure we have is Para. Para means a large measure. And Pakka means 1/10 of that. That is what I have shown by a smaller pot. So that measure we will use in the next zodiac. When your birth star occurs, your birth lean is in the present zodiac, or where you are born. In that zodiac, that measure is given. In the next zodiac, we will use smaller measure. That is the system. Throughout the next 12 zodiacs of the system, in all zodiacs, you will have the birth star, and that time that additional supplementing smaller pot measure time is allotted. That you can avail. This is one of the backup systems. There are still more that we will discuss later on. And now we will go to some issues. In the previous video, I had told you should keep records of your health and health and medical records. For first thing you require is a good notebook. You should be some sort of a permanent record, something similar to a permanent. This you have to keep lifelong. So better to have a good notebook. Then what I have told you should keep a record of temperature once in a week. Normally once in a week is good enough. Nowadays you may require frequency that may require is much more. Daily if you want you can check. So temperature you can check. That costs only 100 rupees. One thermometer costs only 100 to 150 rupees maximum. Digital thermometers are also there. So only 150 rupees. Then next one is weight. The weighing balance costs around less than 1000 rupees. In India that costs only 1000 rupees. That much. Bathroom weighing scales are there. Less than 1000 rupees. If you, all of your family members can check it, their weight. No, you need not go to any shop or laboratory, nothing. Less than 1000 rupees that is available to you. Third one is height. Just like you require only a tape. Only once in 3 months, 6 months, once in a year, that is good enough. Or if you buy a tape, that is good enough. The checking of height. Weight you can check if you want, you can on a weekly basis. So 3 measures are all day. Then height, weight, then with this you can calculate BMI, body mass index. Body mass index, your body mass index, if you search through the internet, you will get BMI calculator. With that BMI calculator, you can calculate BMI. That should be in green zone. In the green zone, normally the diseases won't get into an attack. They will not attack if you are in the green zone. That requires a little bit of effort to control the weight and height with the age. So if you are in the green zone, you should be in green zone. Then there is no problem. There is not much problem with your health. So four measures over. Then fifth measure is pressure, blood pressure. Either you can buy a 60 manometer. That is what you say 60 manometer is called BP apparatus. That is blood pressure measuring apparatus. That you are familiar with. Doctors, they will check their 60 manometer. Either you can buy one. Is now electronic BP apparatus is there. You can buy. That is around 2000 rupees. That also you can get in your home. At your convenience you can check. Then next one is heart rate and oxygen concentration. These two you can get with the oximeter. Blood oxygen concentration, pressure rate, heart rate, both you can get in a single